Hi, short video to talk to you about this Miele Complete C Silence Ecoline vacuum cleaner. Comes in perfect working order and very good condition. It does have some very light used marks, but overall very good. It hasn't been used much at all. It comes with the free hand tools. You can tell it hasn't been used much. There's no dust anywhere. New filter fitted, new bag fitted. And I'll turn it on. This is so much quieter than the other Miele range. You can actually turn it down. Sucking up the tablecloth. So, comes with the free tools, the hose, the telescopic wand, the handle and the brush head. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.